Hello guys, welcome to our channel Google Tech India 1.0 YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you one wonderful message. Stay tuned with me till end of this video so you can learn one important message from this video, friends. Do you want to promote your videos on a Facebook on your personal page? Then you should create your own Facebook personal account or business account. Let me show you the steps one by one. Now you can open your Facebook account. You are seeing the dashboard of your Facebook account. On the right hand side at the top you can see three lines symbol. Okay, just click that icon, otherwise you can open your channel icon. In this way you can create your business account to promote your videos, friends. You can see here three icons, three dot lines are there. You can see the pages. You can click the pages. You can see the create option. Okay, then write your page name. What you want to name this page? I'm writing here Google Tech India 1.0. This is my personal Facebook account page. Then tap on the next option. The page name should be the name of your business. Okay, what category best describe this page? Then select the category to describe about your business Facebook page. You can see the search options are also available, and default they have given some categories to me: computer category, personal blog, shopping, retail, projects and service. You can search the category you want to include here, then tap on the next option. Do you have the website for Google Tech India? I don't have any website right now, so I skip this option. If you have, just you can write it there. Then this add the icon, means your channel logo here. Just select the page you want to include here. Just I'm selecting one logo, temporary logo to this page. Once you have done this process, then click the done option. Now your Facebook personal account page has been created. Important steps to get this page set up the success: just you can add some more images, add profile picture and cover pictures. I didn't made any profile picture right now, so I have added the same image in both these options. Later I will change it. If you have, after watching this video, if you want to create your personal business or personal or business account on Facebook, you should you should make everything ready to upload in the Facebook personal account or Facebook account, friends. Just follow the simple process. If you have not yet subscribed our YouTube channel, just subscribe our channel and then press the bell icon to get the notifications in the future, friends. If you like any pages which will be suggested by Facebook, you can follow them. Okay, choose the button here. They have given get the launch. They have given some options. Thank you so much for watching.